In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add effects to a video in Kapwing. Kapwing is a versatile online editing tool that makes adding a little extra flair to your videos simple and accessible. Whether you're jazzing up a personal project or giving a professional touch to your content, effects can enhance the storytelling aspect and engage your audience more effectively. So let's dive in and explore how you can elevate your video editing game with Kapwing. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to the Kapwing website. The home page is designed to be user-friendly and will guide you in starting your project. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Next, Kapwing offers the option to sign in with your Google account to streamline the login process, so go ahead and click on Sign In with Google. This method also makes it easier to manage your projects across different devices as your work gets linked to your Google account. After clicking on the option, you'll see a list of Google accounts. If you have multiple, choose the one you'd like to use with Kapwing. Simply click on your account and follow any on-screen instructions if prompted. Now that you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your projects are stored. Find the video project you want to work on and click on it to open the editor. If you're starting fresh, just click Create New Project and upload your footage. Once your project is open, locate the clip that you want to edit within the editor. Clicking on the clip will bring up various editing options. On the right side panel, you'll see several tabs. Find and select the Effects tab. This is where the fun begins. The Effects tab provides you with a suite of options for animations, transitions, and other visual enhancements. I encourage you to start by trying different animations. Animations can add dynamic movement to still scenes or emphasize key moments in your video. Explore the array of available options like fade-ins or spin effects to see what matches your creative vision. Kapwing makes it easy to apply an effect. Just click to see a preview of how it will look on your selected clip. Additionally, transitions can smooth the flow from one clip to the next, providing a more seamless viewing experience. To experiment with transitions, select the transition you want to try and drag it between two clips. Again, Kapwing offers a variety of styles, from simple cuts to more elaborate dissolves, allowing you to find what best suits your project. Feel free to mix things up and combine different animations and transitions. This kind of experimentation is what digital editing is all about. Once you're happy with the effects, don't forget to preview your entire video to ensure everything flows well. And that's it! You've now learned how to add effects to a video in Kapwing, elevating your content to a whole new level. Enjoy the creative process and let your imagination soar.